The ground is an inexhaustible source of energy. Energy is taken from the ground through the surface collector and is transferred to the heat pump. The heat pump uses this energy for heating and cooling in the home. Additionally, the ground energy is used for heating domestic water. You profit with this future-proof and environmentally friendly heating system through lowest operating costs, highest efficiency to best price and performance, higher annual coefficient of performance greater than 5 possible, heating and cooling with one system, direct heat exchange, maximum lifetime, maximum operating safety,